Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today during the NSPPD USA prayer conference, Pastor Jerry received a recognition from the Georgia House of Assembly. Isn't that wonderful? And presenting the recognition award is Honorable Okoye from the Georgia House of Assembly. So I'm going to leave you to listen to everything that was said. God is doing great and mighty things and also showcasing Pastor Jerry Eze to the world. All right, guys, so I'm going to mute myself right now while you enjoy the rest of the video.
And for other purposes, whereas Pastor Jerry Eze has demonstrated his commitment to teaching the gospel, witnessing Christ through word and deed, and addressing the physical, psychological, intellectual, and spiritual needs of others. And whereas, following his distinguished professional career, Pastor Jerry Eze created Streams of Joy in 2013, which has since defied all known methods of measurement and proven to be both an unprecedented revolution and limit-breaking social movement spanning over 20 branches. 20 branches, right? And whereas, in addition to Streams of Joy, he started an online prayer called the New Season Prophetic Prayers and Declarations in order to combat fear, spread faith, and raise hopes in response to the hardships inflicted by the COVID pandemic. And whereas, whether the task is preparing a sermon, visiting the sick, counseling the troubled, baptizing a new believer, or acting as a theologian, educator, righteous path, administrator, or humanitarian, Pastor Jerry serves as a shining example of God's righteous path. And whereas the unmatched spiritual assistance offered by Pastor Jerry Eze is a source of strength and direction for persons in all walks of life, and whereas it is abundantly fitting and proper that his enduring example of God's message of peace and love be recognized and congratulated for his innumerable good works rendered on behalf of persons in need. Now, therefore, be resolved that Pastor Jerry Eze is recognized and commended for his dynamic Christian ministry and extended best wishes for many more years of successful fellowship and leadership. So resolved this day, Pastor Jerry Eze.
Thank you very much. NSPPDians, to God be the glory.
Amen. Thank you.
I want to say a very big thank you to the state of Georgia House of Representatives. If you are from Georgia here, make some noise. Thank you. And may God exceed your expectations. So, now, wow. Sorry, I wanted to say something, but it will not look like a testimony here. When I go back, I will give it properly. So, thank you so much, and may God bless you, and may God honor you. It's amazing to know that this small boy from one side is getting this type of state of Georgia House of Representatives. What God cannot do, Thank you once again, and God bless you.